Hello friends, welcome to my channel Angrezi Sahitya. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of the Tatler, one of Britain's most influential periodicals. Launched in 1709 by Sir Richard Steele, the Tatler was more than just a journal. It was a cultural phenomenon that shaped the landscape of British journalism. In this video, we will explore how Steele's innovative approach to combining news, gossip, and cultivated essays on contemporary manners set the stage for future literary classics like The Spectator and The Rambler. We'll also look at how the Tatler's unique blend of wit and social commentary continues to influence modern journalism. So, sit back, relax, and join me on this journey through the pages of history. Introduction. Initially, it was a political and satirical magazine discussing news, society, and current events. The name Tatler was inspired by the word tattle, referring to gossip and small talk. The original version ran from 1709 to 1711, with contributions from prominent figures like Joseph Addison and Jonathan Swift. It played a role in shaping public opinion and cultural critique during Queen Anne's reign. Tatler is famous for its profiles of the British aristocracy, royals, and wealthy individuals. It reports on their lifestyle, events, and personal stories. As a fashion and lifestyle magazine, Tatler showcases the latest fashion trends, covering high-end designers and luxury brands. It highlights the best dressed list featuring aristocrats and celebrities. The magazine is also known for its coverage of major social events such as society balls, royal weddings, and charitable galas. It documents the glamorous lives of the elite. Cultural impact of the Tatler. While Tatler is often celebrated for its glamorous and style, it has also faced criticism for its focus on elitism, class divides, and privilege. It tends to glamorize wealth and perpetuate a sometimes exclusionary view of society, which contrasts with more modern discussions about equality and diversity. Though rooted in British culture, Tatler has international editions, making its cultural impact global. It appeals to affluent audience beyond the UK, with its prestige extending into other parts of Europe and Asia. Target audience of the Tatler. One of Tatler's primary focuses is on the British nobility and landed gentry, including those with hereditary titles such as dukes, earls, and lords. It offers extensive coverage of royal families and prominent aristocratic figures. These readers appreciate Tatler's best dressed features, which highlight the most stylish individuals from aristocracy, royalty, and celebrity circles. This audience enjoys staying ahead of fashion trends and often looks to Tatler for inspiration. One of Tatler's most famous features, the Little Black Book, is an annual listing of the most eligible bachelors and bachelorettes in British high society. The Tatler list is another prominent feature that profiles influential figures in various sectors, from the aristocracy, politics, and entertainment. It is seen as a kind of social barometer for who holds cultural and social capital in the upper echelons of British society. Tatler provides coverage of major social events in the UK and globally, including exclusive charity balls, society weddings, and royal events. Richard Steele, the magazine's original founder, used the platform to critique politics and society. Joseph Addison was co-founder of the Tatler. His writing style, which balanced wit with seriousness, appealed to a broad audience and helped establish the periodical essay as a significant literary form. Tatler has evolved from its satirical and political origins into one of the most prestigious society magazines in the world. Its commitment to covering the lives of the British aristocracy, its focus on high-end fashion, and its luxurious lifestyle content have solidified its status as a staple of British culture and global high society. Despite the changing media landscape, Tatler remains a relevant and aspirational publication known for its influence over both fashion and the perception of the elite. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video and stay tuned for more updates.